Hi everybody, Mr. Gibson here. Today we are going to do a very basic Tinkercad tutorial. So if this is your first ever go at Tinkercad, this is the one to watch. Okay. We're going to make some Monopoly houses and hotels. Okay. So no messing about. Grab yourself a box. Okay, and stick your box on the work plane. Okay. Then the next thing we need to do is, this is going to become our first Monopoly house, so we want to give it a roof. Now if I grab a roof here and I try and stick the roof on top of my house, you'll see, oof, I've not got it on top of the house. Okay, I've got it next to the house at the same level as the kind of on the ground floor, I suppose. So that's no good. Okay, so what I need to do if I want a roof on top of my house is grab this work plane tool here. Okay, so I grab a work plane and I drag the work plane onto the top of my building and let go. And you can see what it's done. I've got a yellow work plane now. Now if I grab another object and bring it into my workspace, it's going to pop that object at the same height as my work plane. So I can now add a roof to my house, line it up closely, let go, and as you can see, it's applied it to the top of my building. Okay, now this is a good time to look at some navigation. Okay, so you can see I've got three navigation tools. Okay, so I can zoom in and out using my scroll wheel on my mouse. Yeah, so wherever I put my cursor, that's the point that it will zoom in and out to. Okay, and then I can pan by holding my scroll wheel down. So I'm holding the mouse scroll wheel down and moving the mouse left to right, and we call that pan. Okay. And then the third one is rotate. So I hold down my right mouse button and rotate. Okay, and that way I can look all the way around my building. Okay, so I want you to have a go and get the hang of those three navigation tools. Zoom in and out with your scroll wheel, pan by holding your scroll wheel down, and then right click your mouse and rotate around your object. Okie doke. So next thing we want to do is we want the roof of our house to be slightly bigger than the house itself, so we're going to give it some eaves. Okay, so basically if you grab hold of one of these dimension tools, okay, if we grab hold of a corner or hover over it even, you can see the dimensions of the roof. Okay, and we want to redimension that. So it's currently 20 millimeters square. And we're going to resize it just a little bit. We're going to add 2 millimeters in the X dimension and 2 millimeters in the Y dimension. Okay, so I can just click and edit those. Yeah, and enter. Okay, so now my roof is slightly bigger than my house. Okay. Unfortunately though, it's not aligned centrally, it's off one corner, so it's aligned in this corner, it's overhanging in this corner, and we want to do something about that. Okay, so the way to go about that alignment is if you select both objects. So I'm going to drag a big selection box around both objects. Okay, and I've got both the roof and the building selected. If I go to here, align, see this tool? Up in the top right, it's the align tool. It brings up a load of dots. Okay, so we've got three sets of 3 dots. If we look down from above, you can see we've got 3 dots in the y-axis and 3 dots in the x-axis, and we've also got 3 dots in the z-axis. Okay, so if I click the x-axis center dot, yeah, what that does is it aligns the building and the house by their centers. Okay, if we look in this orientation, we can see they're still not aligned that way. So if we click this center dot here, it aligns those two objects, center aligns them in X and Y. Okay, so now we can see that our roof and building are center aligned. Okay. So there's our house. Let's give it a chimney, because after all, Monopoly houses do have chimneys. Okay, so we're after a cylinder. Okay, so you can see I've still got this yellow work plane set, and the work plane's sitting at this level here between the house and the roof. So if I grab a cylinder and drag it into the workspace, it's going to sit at that level. Yeah, it's at the same level as the roof. Okay, obviously this cylinder is way too big for a chimney. Okay, so I'm going to resize it. I'm going to go for 4 millimeters and 4 millimeters. Okay, and then we have a more sensible looking chimney. So now I can drag my chimney across onto the roof of my house. Okay, and I know that it will stay at the same level because it's placed on that work plane. And now all I need to do is shrink it down a little bit. It's too high, so I can grab this dimension tool here and just drag my chimney down until it looks like a sensible height. Okay, so that is our first house. However, at the moment it comprises 3 separate parts, and I want to make it all one part. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is get rid of this work plane. To get rid of that temporary yellow work plane, all I do is grab another work plane and drag it onto this yellow work plane. Okay, and we're back to the original blue work plane. Okay, now I want to make my building a single object, so I select all 3 parts of it with the selection box, group. Okay, so this tool here in the top right is called group. When I do that, it all goes one color, and that's saying this is now all one object. Okay, and what I can do with it now is I can resize the whole thing as a single object. So if I select that object, I can now make it, I can resize it in Z. Okay, now to me, that looks like the proportions of a Monopoly house. Actually, it's still square, so I can drag the whole thing out horizontally. Look, now we're talking. That's a Monopoly house. The only thing is, it's a house, not a hotel, so it's got to be green. So if I select it, okay, I can change color by going into this icon here. Yeah, and now we have our first Monopoly house. Okay, so your challenge would be to repeat that process, but to make a hotel. So a hotel is exactly the same thing, but he's slightly bigger. It's about 30% bigger. Okay, so the next thing I want you to try and do is create another building using exactly the same tools, but without my talk through, and then color it red, make it slightly bigger. That way you'll have one house and one hotel. Okay, everybody. Thanks for listening. There we have it. Look, as our first pair of Monopoly buildings. One small green house, one large red hotel. Okay, that's your first Tinkercad challenge.